Hey guys, John G. Adams, Modern Design, Aquascaping, back again for my pond peoples. Hey, it's Water Feature Design Series number 11. How do you do that? Oh my gosh, it's a real thing. Bib liners. If you're a waterfall builder or you aspire to be one, you need to stick around and watch this video because it will make your pond building experience easier, more productive, and more amazing. I'm just saying. Like, comment, subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like to learn about, please share that with me because I want to know. How can I answer your questions if you don't ask? Just saying. Stay tuned.
So hey, this is another thing that I want to talk to you guys about. And this is what we call putting in a bib liner. So when we put big boulders like this right in front of the wall, then we've got this gap in between the liner and the boulders. And we usually just fill that up with these, we call them 3x5s, rocks that are about the size of my fist. So we literally just pile that in between the liner and the boulders to create our elevation to set our next rocks on top of. But what that creates is it creates these large areas where, I mean, you're going to lose all your water down through there, and it would take 30 cans of foam to seal that up. So we use what's called a bib liner. We take a piece of scrap liner that we've cut off somewhere else in the project, we lay it down in here, trim it all nice, and we seal the liner in with foam. And then once that's sealed up nice and tight, then we just pour the gravel on top. Voila, the water goes over top. Anything that happens underneath there, whatever water seeps through, goes straight down through those cobbles and stays inside the liner. So we seal up 95% of it again, get it to go right where we want it to go. We save on foam, and at the same time, everything just works together nice. It's easy to maintain, it's easy to clean. Piece of cake. So I thought that's something worthy to share with you guys. I hope that this helps you save on time and materials next time you're putting the waterfall project together for yourself. Thanks.